What if I told you that the companies who are actually hiring immigrants are companies you potentially have never heard of? So think about it this way. In New Zealand, there are over 29,000 accredited employers or sponsors on a public list. In Australia, over about 3,500. In the United Kingdom, I think it's something like 129,000 and very similar in the Netherlands, etc. All these countries have lists of employers who say, we want immigrants. But here's the thing. They don't advertise their jobs online. In fact, our recent research shows that less than 3.5% of them advertises their jobs online. So when we work with international candidates, helping them to find their overseas jobs, we take a completely different approach. Instead of going and creating a nice CV so that you can go and apply for jobs online, that doesn't exist, like I just told you why. We are making a list for them of these specific employers who fit their specific situation and are in their industry. So we pick them out and then we go after them directly approaching the employers because we know they don't advertise online. That's a much more effective strategy than creating a CV, waiting for an online job ad that might never appear, and for which you have to tailor your CV every single time and have the whole world to compete with. So if you want to know how to do all of this, there is a link below this video where I actually went through training you and showing you how to find these employers yourself. I'll leave a link below this video to that full training video, which is 5 ways of finding these overseas sponsors or employers yourself. If you want to know more about this, you're welcome to message me on LinkedIn, but make sure that you are finding or using a very targeted approach, finding your employers first and then getting in front of them instead of waiting for them to advertise jobs, which they'll potentially never do.